This is Clemyjontri Park in McLean, near or around the Langley area. So we've been covering a ton of videos on our channel about McLean, and this park keeps on coming up in all of our research. Now, we have a few photos of this park on some of our videos. I even stopped by one day and got a picture of the sign. But today I said, you know what, Abraham? Let's just get out to this park at about 8 o'clock in the morning before any kids are there, right? Because I feel a little uncomfortable filming around little kids. So I got out here super early just to capture this walking tour of this park for you all. I figured if you're moving to the area, you're going to want to know, what is this park that people keep talking about? Well, this is it. And this park is pretty special too. It's pretty special. So this park was donated, or at least the land was donated, by Adele Leibowitz. She's a famous artist, and she named the park after her children, Caroline for CL, Emily for EMY, John for JON, and Patrina for TRI. Gotta say, I've never heard of the name Patrina, but it sounds pretty cool. So one of the things that makes this park unique is that this park is designed for every child can play. So where every child can play is the tagline for this particular park. So the surfaces that you're seeing right here are supposed to be designed so that whether a kid has crutches, braces, walkers, wheelchairs, or any developmental disabilities, they can come here and play with their friends. They don't have to feel like they're isolated, like there's ramps all over this place. And I think this is pretty cool. Also, it's a very large space. So it's not like just one little pad with a swinger here and a slide there. No, this place is massive. Another thing I want to point out is that the parking here is impeccable. I'm glad to see so much of an emphasis on the parking. The cool thing about this place, or another cool thing about this place, is that there's something called the Liberty Swing, and it's the only Liberty Swing in Virginia. There are only 15 in America, and this swing is designed for kids who are on wheelchairs, so they could roll their wheelchairs into this swing, and they could experience swinging, which is one of the most enjoyable activities there is as a child and an adult too. I like to swing every now and then too. So this is Clemyjontri. I think I'm saying this word right. Clemyjontri Park. The word is made up, so whether we pronounce it right or not, that's what happens when you make up a word. So this is the walking tour of this little area. So we have other videos on our channel about McLean. Those videos go into a little bit more depth about the overall area, neighborhoods, pros and cons, things you wish you knew before you moved to the area. We have a map tour. We have a driving tour as well. But this right here, I wanted to make sure that we just caught all this goodness, all the goodness of Clemyjontri Park. I hope if you're moving to the area and this park is special to you, let us know in the comment section. I think it's cool that this park the land was donated by Adele Leibowitz, but donations came from all over to have this space built. I feel very lucky that us Northern Virginia residents have an opportunity to experience this park. McLean residents are able to experience this park with very little ease, right? They can just drive right over to it. But this is something special, something unique about Northern Virginia. So that's about it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stop talking because I told you everything I need to tell you about the park. Let me see. Anything else in my notes here? Da 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 da. Nope. Yeah. So we're just gonna walk around. If you have little ones, maybe you could use this video to get them excited about going to this park. Again, for the parents, there's plenty of seating all around the park. Another thing that's cool about this park is that there's covered seating. I hate going to parks where there's no covered seating. You know, like your kid is playing, you're over there being baked alive by the sun. Not in Clemyjontri Park. No, no, no. They have covered seating and also seating all around the park too. That's another thing too. Our kids are 13 and 15 at the time I'm shooting this video, so we didn't go to parks anymore. But when we did go to parks, sometimes you'd be sitting all the way on the other side of where your kid is sitting. You want to get closer to them, but there's nowhere to sit down. There's nowhere to sit down. Not with this park. There's plenty of seating all around. I think this little drag strip that's kind of going throughout the park is pretty cool too. So if you have kids that are on some type of wheeled device, they could definitely kind of have a little race or whatnot between themselves and their friends. Another thing that's cool about this park is that it's age appropriate. So you have like a little jungle gym area for the little ones, and then you have something for the kids all the way up to 12 years old. Now, I'm going to be honest with you. My 12-year-old, well, my son is now 13, but last year he would have never gone to one of these parks. So I don't know where they get these age ranges from. But if you have a 12-year-old that still likes to go on the monkey bars and stuff like that, then this would be a cool little spot for them to go. So again, this is Clemyjontri Park in McLean, the Langley area of McLean, close to the Potomac River. If you have any real estate needs, so maybe looking to buy a home, sell a home, or invest in real estate, there is a link below in the description to the Perfect Home Questionnaire. Fill out that form, and we will schedule a time to meet online via Zoom to answer any and all of your questions. So that's it for me. I'm going to stop talking now. I'm going to let you enjoy the rest of the video. Again, there's no editing here. There's really just me walking around, kind of showing you the park. If you like this style of video, let me know in the comment section. If you never heard of Clemyjontri Park, also let me know in the comment section, because I just learned about this park doing all of my research for McLean. Now, again, my kids are older, so we're not really looking for parks anymore. So I can see this being one of those stages of life type of thing that makes you get you excited. If I did know about this park when my kids were younger, we would have definitely traversed up to this particular park here. All right, so that's it for me. I'm cutting out. Enjoy the walking tour, and I will see you all in the next video. Peace.